Today in this video we'll be making fresh French fries. Regular potato, Idaho, and you just cut your potatoes in strips. Any size, just make sure they're all even so they cook even. I keep the skin to get that crunchiness. Have your oil to 300 to 350. Soak your potatoes in water and just leave it there until the oil is almost ready, and then you just drain it. So I dropped one just to be sure that the oil is hot, and it's hot. So now you leave it for 4 minutes. Make sure you put a timer. You pull it out, and it's not gonna be cooked, but you pull it out in 4 minutes. Okay, so my 4 minutes passed. You see, they still don't have any color. They look the same, but it's okay. We just want them to get soggy. You're gonna leave them out for like 20 minutes, and then we're gonna throw them back in the oil. The oil should be hot. Just keep it, maintain it hot, not super hot, but in 20 minutes we'll put it back in the fryer, in the oil, and then it will just get crispy. So after you left the potatoes for 20 minutes until they get nice and soggy, it's time to have the oil nice and hot and re-drop the fries so they can get nice and brown and crispy. Make sure your oil is always super hot. This is the first step when you cook the fries. They're gonna boil and then they're gonna break apart. And the second time you fry them, make sure the oil is hot again. See? The potatoes. So the potatoes are ready to come out. See? At this point, I added fresh crushed pepper, some sea salt, some fresh parsley. Mix it nice. It's ready to eat. Mm-mm.